Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to improve your score in Vita Mahjong. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and improve your score in Vita Mahjong. So if you want to improve your score in Vita Mahjong, the key is to combine the small tower section with fast of gameplay. So basically what you need to do, go to the level, and now you need to go and have some combos. So as you can see, we have these ones that we're going to raise through the level. So as you can see, we have to of course match the same symbols, but if you match them fast enough, you will get the combos. You have to think fast, look fast, and do it the fastest you can for the more points to get and more combos that you can of course go and achieve. So that is something that you will need to go and do to get those, as you can see, as fast as you do it, as much as you can see combos and points and everything you will get. So just be fast like this and you will of course go and achieve those things. So this is the one of the things. As you can see, we have the IQ, we have the combo and everything. If you don't make a mistake, you'll have a perfect full combo at the end of the level. As you can see, excellent. We have combo 15, a lot of points, which you can get like this. Also, you can go and prioritize top and edge tiles, plan several moves ahead, use hints and shuffle springly, and complete daily challenges. Daily challenges are pretty good for this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.